In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export member list in Skool. Exporting your member list is a quick way to back up your community data, analyze growth, or share a roster with your team. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few tips so it's smooth and reliable every time. First, open your Skool community and head straight to the Members tab. This is where all your people live: names, roles, join dates, and more. If you're managing more than one community, just make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. In most layouts, the Members tab is easy to spot in the main navigation. If you don't see it, you may be in a different section, so look along the top or left side until you find Members. Once you're in the Members tab, look to the top right corner of the page for the Export button. It's designed to be quick and obvious, so you don't need to hunt for it. If the Export button isn't visible, it could be a permissions thing. Typically, admins and certain moderators can export member data. If you don't have the option, check with the person who manages your community access to confirm your role. Go ahead and click Export. Skool will start generating a CSV file of your member list. Depending on the size of your community, this can be almost instant, or it might take a moment. A CSV is a simple, widely compatible file format that works with spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets, Excel, and Numbers. It's great for sorting, filtering, and running quick reports. As soon as the file is ready, it will download to your browser's default downloads location. You'll see it appear in your downloads bar or folder. The file name often includes your community name and the date, which makes it easier to track versions over time. If you don't see the file right away, give it a few seconds and check your browser's downloads list. Also, make sure your browser isn't blocking downloads from the site. A quick note on best practices: handle exported member data carefully. Keep it secure, share it only with people who need access, and follow your community's privacy guidelines. If you're using the list for analysis, consider making a copy before you make changes so you always have the original export as a reference. That's all there is to it. Open your community's Members tab, click the Export button in the top right, and download the generated CSV file. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Skool community with confidence.